In this session, we will show how ChatGPT can be used to categorize and summarize workflow conversations. Pyramid allows users to start a dialogue against a particular data point. Here, I have added some comments to a conversation workflow and assigned it to a colleague or group. The conversation flow in history can be viewed in Pyramid or other collaboration platforms. All conversational data can be directly queried and shared with business users. Here, we are using text aggregation to consolidate conversations per data model and then applying ChatGPT to summarize key insights from the conversational history. By selecting a data model, I can view the number of conversations by data point and can also see the conversation's history by date and time. Here we have used the text aggregation measure to view the entire conversation in a single cell. By selecting one of these conversations, Pyramid will use our OpenAI integration to provide insights on the data. OpenAI will then respond with three key aspects. The first shows the main subject categories discussed in the conversation. The second is a conversational summary, and the third classifies if this conversation led to a resolution to the problem or not. In this session, we have shown how Pyramid can uniquely track workflow conversations by data point, consolidated the text using its text aggregation feature, and then applied ChatGPT to provide insights.